I have the hiccups, and I am going to show you the cure that I discovered in 5th grade. We were taking a pop quiz or something in school, and it was very quiet, and I got the hiccups. And I think I was a little embarrassed. And we had water fountains in our classroom, so I asked if I could get a drink of water. And for whatever reason, this is what I did. I held my breath. As I was holding my breath, I took several drinks of water. I exhaled slowly, and then they were gone. I've been doing that ever since 5th grade. 5th grade, I don't know, are you 11, maybe 10, 11? So 99.9% of the time this works. There's only been a couple of times. I'm 43, so since 10, 11 years old, there's only been a couple of times where it didn't work. So let's wait for my next hiccup. They're not very strong, but there's one. Let's wait and see if another hiccup comes. If another hiccup comes, that's going to be crazy because it really does work like 99.9% of the time. Do, 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 do. No hiccup. Feeling no hiccup. No hiccup. They're gone. I'm cured. And I bet it'll work for you too. Give it a try. Next time you get the hiccups. Peace. They're gone. Mommy's hiccups are gone. What have you done to this room already? Have a good day.